Hello, David Williams, broker owner here at CaryRealEstate.com, talking to you about the important home buying step of getting pre-qualified. Now, what exactly do I mean by getting pre-qualified? Pre-qualification is where a potential buyer, or in the eyes of a lender, they're called a borrower or an applicant, simply has a phone conversation with a mortgage professional to find out what are their options for a home loan. What kind of price range should they be looking at? What would their monthly payments be like in a certain loan scenario? So here's how it unfolds. You have a conversation with a mortgage professional where you give them certain information about your financial picture. What type of information? It's simple. You'll give them your social security number so they can pull your credit scores. You'll let them know how much money you make each month. And what they're looking for is your gross income before taxes or any other deductions that may come out of your income. They're going to ask, what type of money do you have in the bank? What are your balances in your checking and savings accounts? What about other asset accounts like mutual funds, retirement accounts, stocks, bonds, portfolios, etc.? What's your average balance in there? What's the estimated value as of that day? They're also going to ask you about your debt. When they ask about debt, they're looking for loan balances and monthly payments for things like car loans, credit card, student loans, any type of monthly reoccurring installment debt that you have. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to take that information and they're going to give you back your loan options. They're going to give it to you in the format of a spreadsheet called a good faith estimate. That's something you want to remember, good faith estimate. That spreadsheet, that good faith estimate, is going to show you, based on a given loan program, how much money you would actually bring to the closing table and what your monthly payments would be. Critical information to balance out different options and different loan programs. Now, thanks to a new regulation from the federal government, something good from the federal government, all lenders across the country are now required to give you that good faith estimate in the same format, so you can compare loan programs side by side. Now, you do not need to talk to more than one lender up front to get pre-qualified. In fact, we recommend that you talk to Kevin Martini. I've been doing real estate here in Cary for over 15 years, and I can promise you that Kevin Martini is the best I've ever worked with. He's professional, he's knowledgeable, he looks at the big picture of what you're trying to do financially, not just get you a home loan, but what's the best home loan scenario for you. Different down payment options, different ways to structure the loan. He is A+, top notch. Highly, highly recommend you contact Kevin Martini, and I have his contact information below this video on this page. So, critical step in the home buying process, having that conversation with the lender to find out your loan options and your comfort zone. I wish you well with the pre-qualification process, and once you complete that, then we'll know exactly what price range homes are best fit for you.